Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie, and today it's Sunday. I'm getting into Aldi again, and I have a week of groceries to buy for my meal plan, which I'll share at the end. And I'm excited because my husband's really looking forward to this week of dinners. He's actually told me that multiple times over the last few days. So when hubby's happy, I'm happy, and it makes making dinner even more fun. So let's get into the store, see what I'm getting, and then my meal plan and an announcement are at the end. Okay, first up, I'm getting the baked turtles for my son's preschool. They're $3.89, but we bring in snacks once a month. My son's preschool actually also asked for vanilla wafers, and the funny thing is they were on my list because we're making banana pudding with it, and I'm getting 2 boxes for $1.49 each. I'm getting 2 packs of naan at $3.99 each for butter chicken this week. We're having it 2 nights for dinner, so I need 2 packs. $1.25 for tortilla chips for our quesadilla dinner. I'm getting 85-cent loaf of white bread and 79-cent burger buns. I have frozen burgers that I bought earlier this summer in the freezer, so we're going to use them up. I need cilantro at 79 cents, and green onions are 65 cents for quesadilla night. I'm going to get cherries for $2.99 a pound for my daughter's lunches. And then we have a bunch of oranges and apples still. I need some cucumbers for lunches and tabbouleh, 49 cents a piece. Not that one. Romaine hearts for salads and burgers, $2.89. And then $3.29 for an Asian salad kit. $1.26 for a dozen eggs. I almost always buy 2%, but I need whole milk for a recipe, $1.57, and chocolate milk, and then we'll just use what we have left of our 2%. My Aldi has been out of these for a few weeks. I'm excited to see them back again. The toasted coconut vanilla whole milk Greek yogurt. I'm going to get 4 at 89 cents a piece. Such a good snack. And as an intermittent faster, I love to open my window with yogurt. Okay, I need spread butter, $2.25, and 4-pack of butter, $2.89. I'm going to get this pulp-free organic orange juice because we don't have a lot of choices here. All these very picked over today. I wanted to buy whole kernel corn, but again, picked over. They didn't have it. I think I have a can in my cupboard though, so that works out. And I need some black beans. I'm making black bean corn salsa for our quesadilla night. My vegetarian loves this. I'm gonna buy peach slices. I'm gonna see if my kids will eat this as a side for dinner. I've never bought them here, and we don't really buy canned fruit much, but I see it's in fruit juice, so I'm gonna give it a try at 98 cents. Since the fruit prices are not good, I'm also going to get this one, 100% fruit juice again, 97 cents. I wish they sold mandarin oranges and fruit juice because, oh wait, no, that's peaches again. My kids do like those. Grape tomatoes are $2.39, and they're such an easy side for lunches, so I'm going to get a pack for my girls' lunches, and then I'm also going to grab 3 Roma tomatoes at $1.29 a pound for burgers and tabbouleh. Yay! Do you guys remember for the longest time we were out of dill pickle chips? They're back. They've been back a while, but $1.89. I sliced these for shawarmas, and of course we need them for burgers. We're almost out of what we have in our fridge. Last thing for my son's preschool this month, they wanted pretzels, getting these at $1.32. So they took away my favorite granola, but this one looks pretty similar. It's $1.99, and I'm excited to give it a try. Cinnamon raisin. Love raisins. And they still have the clearance ping pong tables. They have the nice wet dry vac. Fridges are here, but not marked down. Getting pretty flowers in. Looking very Valentine-y over here to me. And then the normal flowers. These joggers feel soft, but they're really thin. They have long sleeve t-shirts, infinity scarves, bunch of gloves, socks. I love these pajamas. Wine, cocktails, donuts and croissants. Oh, they have the puffer jackets. These are kind of nice. Pretty thin again. Winter boots, the cover up. We pretty much have everything I saw in the ad. I actually am going to text my husband and see if he wants new gloves. Adjustable barbells, an incline bench, waist trimmer, sauna vest. These are actually really pretty. I wear a smart band myself, but these are pretty. I like the big face on them. Loops, toners, lots of things if you're looking to build a fitness room. So many boots and shoes. Slippers still. I, again, find the maternity nightgown so tempting looking. I'm not pregnant. I won't be pregnant again, but it looks nice. Turtlenecks. This aisle is stocked. Now this is nice and tempting. Oh, that's cute. All roads lead to Nome. The mops. And Valentine candies. I have heard so many good things about these. I'm actually going to buy them, and I'll tell you what I think at the end of the video. I'm going to get 5 of these at 57 cents a piece. I love them every day. My husband wanted tangerine water, and I found one. $3.29 a piece. The things you do for love. Vanilla at $3.49. Just ran out with baking. My 10-year-old requested that I get corn tortillas, the yellow ones. So we're having quesadillas this week. I'm going to get these corn tortillas and these flour ones for dinner. If I ask my 5-year-old what he wants for dinner, this is the answer. This is the only answer. So I'm getting this as a side for our hamburgers. $1.45. There's only 2. I'm grabbing both. Onion soup mix, 55 cents. I wanted this to put in something the other day, and we ran out, so just to put in my cupboard. $1.39 for brown sugar. Just ran out while I made cookies this week. We are making sheet pan pancakes, and I'm going to make bacon to go with it and for the burgers, $4.19. Well, I'm using a lot of chicken breast this week, so I wasn't going to use frozen since I needed so much fresh, but the family packs are not here. And I don't really want to pay $3.29 a pound, so I guess frozen it is. Matt, my husband, added chocolate syrup to the list, $1.69. It used to be kept by the peanut butter and Nutella and all that, so for the longest time I didn't think they sold it again, and then I realized they moved it by the hot chocolate. Kind of odd to me. $1.75 for mild cheddar to go with crackers. I wanted my boxed guac. They don't have it, so I'm going to get this stuff. Classic guacamole. I'm not sure where it falls in the price range, either $2.99 or $4.29. We'll see. And then I'm getting this medium salsa that my husband's in love with, $2.39. And finally, because we're having shawarmas this week, I need 3 things of hummus. And I'm going to get 3 of the pine nut hummus at $1.95 a piece. It'll get my daughters through their lunches and 2 nights of shawarmas. I'm getting Cool Whip for $1.29 to make the banana pudding dessert. It's very packed down here, but lobster tails are new this week. A lot of my cases are empty, but also they have strawberry blends. I don't think I want to pay $6.89. I'm not sure. Oh wait, strawberries are only $2.99. So getting these fruit smoothies, which we're having with pancakes this week. So $2.95. They have burritos, more toasted ravioli, turkey burgers. Nothing new-ish. They're busy unpacking. Okay. I'm getting 2 packs of frozen broccoli, 89 cents. Love this stuff, and I will use 1 each night we have butter chicken, which is going to be 2 nights. I'm also going to get a bag of cauliflower rice. I mix this with rice when we have butter chicken. It's actually on sale for $1.49, which is amazing. And then I'm getting a bag of seasoned fries for $1.65 for shawarmas. We put them right in the wraps. Connolly's has a new flavor out, $8.99. I'm not getting it right now, but I might have to reconsider next month. So they moved all of the chips for some reason into one big aisle, even though they're everywhere else too. So we don't have much in the store, but we have lots of chips. But since I got the French onion dip and we have sour cream, I am going to get this to have chips and sour cream dip. My husband will thank me. Is anyone else waiting for these to go on clearance? Yum. This is a lucky find because I normally have to go to a different store. I can't always find quinoa here, but I use it for tabbouleh, $2.89. Yay! I couldn't find fresh ginger today, and then I found this, which is the next best thing, $1.99 for butter chicken. I found the clearance area. Yay! I don't think there's anything I need, but here it exists. And then they have more fitness stuff up here. Ooh. Compression socks. Okay, here's my cart. Any guesses on the total? Let me know below. Sorry. Oh, no problem. Okay, thanks. And there goes the cucumber. Going along with last week's theme of always check your receipt, I was double charged for my orange juice. My cashier was pretty fast and not the most efficient. I think she was like fast in a sloppy way. So I saw her overcharge me for salsa twice, overcharge me for strawberries. She caught those herself. And then my total, I didn't know exactly what it would be, and it was still higher than I thought, but it was $118.85, but she double charged me for my orange juice. So I got a refund on that. And it was unfortunate because the orange juice, I think, was just pushed on the wrong spot because the orange juice was like $1 more than what it showed. So grocery prices, everyone knows, are rising. So $115. And before I leave Aldi, I want to let you guys know that I do plan to change my channel name. I was going to do something like Grocery Gal. If you saw my poll, you guys can see why I did that. Basically, I don't own the name Aldi, obviously, and I am making money off this channel. And at some point, Aldi could decide they don't like me profiting using their trademark name. It's just something I learned in a training, and it was from a actual YouTube lawyer. They said don't use company names in your channel name. It's just not legal technically. So I'm going to change my channel name. Someone suggested Grocery Addict, and I really like that. I'm going to keep my logo the same. It just looks like the Aldi logo, and it says Addict. And I'm still going to do Aldi grocery hauls every single Sunday. I probably won't be adding in many other hauls, but if I do something big at Costco or another store every once in a while, I might share that with you guys. But mainly it's still going to be Aldi. I'm just going to call myself the Grocery Addict so I don't get in legal trouble. So we're here after church. Matt, what do you think of the PB&J bites?
Pretty good.
Elsie, Kyle, do you guys like it? Yes. Okay, I'm about to edit my video, but first I had to try these. They are good. Okay, so the meal plan for the week is sheet pan blueberry pancakes with smoothies and bacon, and then we can use the bacon later in the week for burgers. But before I get to the burgers, I'm actually using the Pioneer Woman Ree Drummond's recipe for sheet pan pancakes. I found frozen blueberries in my deep freezer. You guys know I'm trying to clear out my freezer this week, or lessen what's in there. So I got this new book. It was recommended by a friend on Instagram, and I'm really excited. So I will link this below if you're interested in seeing it. But I have another cookbook of hers, and I'm a fan. So 120 shortcut recipes, yes, that's for me. Again, I'm hoping I have leftover bacon. I know we will. We can put it on burgers. I'm gonna make mac and cheese and a salad kit for that. My vegetarian loves burgers. The funny thing is she just loads it with vegetables on a bun. Ketchup, mustard, she loves it. So that dinner's actually for her, and to use up burgers that I have in the freezer from this summer. My husband, this dinner is his request. It's like a family favorite, butter chicken. I actually make paneer, which is an Indian cheese that I get at Costco. I fry that up as well. broccoli. We have naan and white rice. I'm having that for 2 nights. I make the chicken for both nights, and then I make fresh rice and broccoli and naan for both nights. But we're all looking forward to that. Quesadillas, we can make cheese or chicken. I have frozen chicken to use. I'm gonna make a Spanish rice. I use tomato sauce and cilantro for that, the same jasmine rice. And then I make a corn and black bean salsa. Me and my girls love the salsa. And then we'll have some chips too. And then the other meal that my husband's really looking forward to, we're gonna have it again, 2 nights. Chicken shawarma. I make the chicken and I make enough to last us 2 nights. I make tabbouleh that lasts us 2 nights. And then you load it with french fries, dill pickle slices, hummus, garlic oil that I make. You make them to your own desire. I buy the pitas for that at a Lebanese restaurant. And this is the meal plan for the week. If you're interested in seeing more about how I make the chicken shawarmas, I've actually filmed it and shared the exact recipe and spices that we use. And you can check that out on my other channel. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.